Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. So today I want to review this aftermarket radio that I recently got for my S550 Mustang. So, if you guys didn't know, this is a base model Mustang, and base model Mustangs, they usually come with those calculator screens, with these calculator screens, and they're all really cheap. Can't really do much with them. So I got the new radio that I got was from this company, Dynavin, sorry if I mispronounced it, but so to begin with, this is the interior of the car so far. I got these aftermarket seats, and I plan on getting a new steering wheel and stuff, but this is where we're gonna talk about this screen. So this screen I bought recently, and it costed, I think it was like around $700 aftermarket. No, it's like an 8-inch screen. It comes with CarPlay and all of Google Maps and Google Play, whatever. So it's a 6-speed manual transmission too. I'm aware that there's Mustangs that have the regular sync play, but those are the premiums, or the 418 packages. I think that they also come with the digital dash. So this is the radio. It comes with CarPlay, it comes with Google Maps. You can change the wallpapers, the settings. Your typical Apple CarPlay, and this is the main menu that it comes with. It comes with the reverse camera, and it comes with maps. It comes with this is to connect with the Apple CarPlay, but it also comes with the radio.
A big difference. Castrol Edge motor oil gives your engine 10 times better high-stress performance. Castrol Edge.
Comes with the radio. Comes with navigation. But yeah, as y'all can see, it's kind of not the best. I'm not in Switzerland, so obviously I gotta change that. But you see, it comes with navigation and stuff. You can change the sounds. You can change the sounds. Overall, I like this radio screen. It's pretty easy. Like, as soon as I turn the car on, it automatically goes to Apple CarPlay. It pretty much works. You can also just turn it off. If you don't want it at night, it's really bright, so if you don't want it, you can just do this and turn it back on. That's simple. But if you're interested in buying this, I guess I can leave the link down below. But other than that, this is a new radio screen for, I guess you can say, any S550 Mustang. It's only like $700. So if you're in the market for one of these, I think this was the best one, because I'm not really a big fan of the Tesla, the big one. So I'll leave the link down below if y'all want to buy it. So other than that, this has been all that I really need to talk about for this. It's just like any other radio screen, But I'm pretty sure all of y'all know how to use CarPlay, so I'm not really going to talk about that. But I just want to let you know how I feel about this. Overall, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. The only reason why I'm not going to give it a 10 out of 10 is because sometimes it lags on me. Like, even with the reverse camera, it lags on me and stuff. So But this is the reverse camera. It's still good, you know. But sometimes it's laggy and sometimes it freezes. So that's why I'm not gonna give it a 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10, and well, that's gonna be it. So other than that, I'm gonna see if I can get me a new steering wheel, and I'll make a review on this. Let me know how y'all feel about the comments, and well, I'll see you until the next one. Bye.